Hi, my name's Rochelle Davis, co-founder of Flutter Shutter, and we're here today to install our innovative new window solution on a listed property on Sandon Street, which sits right in the heart of Liverpool's Georgian quarter. So this part of the city is known for its beautifully preserved Georgian architecture, which is mainly made up of residential terraces and townhouses built in the late 1700s and early 1800s.
The installation of Flutter Shutter is carried out by qualified and experienced professionals who take pride in delivering the highest standards from start to finish. Every installation is completed with precision, care and attention to detail, ensuring a seamless fit with an exceptional finish.
Much of Sandon Street is made up of Grade 2 listed buildings, which means these properties are legally protected because of their architectural and historic importance. The houses along Sandon Street and all of the surrounding street are really great examples of Georgian and early Victorian urban houses. They're typically terraced, very well balanced in proportion and built using traditional materials like brick and stone. What's really remarkable about these buildings is how well the properties have survived through periods of decline and later regeneration.
So let's talk about realistic energy upgrades for properties of this nature. In homes like these, energy improvements tend to be carefully considered. Common upgrades often include things like loft insulation, improved lighting and boilers, conventional secondary glazing or replacement sash windows. But because of the age and heritage status of these buildings, walls often remain uninsulated and many windows are still single glazed. That's because in Georgian and Victorian buildings, windows aren't just openings, they're a fundamental part of the architecture. Their proportions, materials and detailing all contribute to the character of the building. Planning authorities see windows as one of the core heritage features, so replacing them with chunky modern frames can completely change the look of a property and potentially compromise its listed or conservation status. I think we can agree that more than just improving the thermal performance in the winter and preventing overheating in the summer months, Flutter Shutter absolutely transforms a space, instantly uplifting the look and feel of the room, and the result, a beautiful installation, minimal disruption, happy tenants and homeowners who can enjoy comfort, style and a space that they truly love.